This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Molly Stone. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa with an attached 2-car garage. Concrete tile roof replaced in 2016. Air conditioner replaced in 2014. Tile consistently throughout the main living areas and carpet in the bedrooms. Charming atrium and gated front porch. Spacious covered and screened-in lanai with lush landscaping offers lots of privacy. North/south exposure keeps the home comfortable cool. Monthly maintenance fees include lawn maintenance, mulch, trimming of landscape, power washing roofs, painting of homes every 6 years, irrigation of all lawns and bushes, maintenance of the irrigation system, digital cable TV and a high-speed internet connection. Membership for recreational facilities is optional. Par 72 Championship 18-hole golf course, designed by Arnold Palmer, 6 true lighted tennis courts, and a heated, junior Olympic-size swimming pool. For more information, review the details below.